St. Catherine, Jamaica, 28-year-old Oshane Reid, a taxi operator of Silverstone, Greater Portmore in St. Catherine, is scheduled to face the court to answer to the charge of illegal possession of ammunition following an incident on Brunswick Avenue in the parish on Friday, May 6. Reports from the Spanish town police are that about 4:30 p.m., lawmen were conducting patrols in the area when they signaled the driver of a Nissan AD Wagon motor car to stop. The driver failed to comply. He was later intercepted. The motor vehicle was subsequently searched and 16 9mm rounds of ammunition were found in the glove compartment of the vehicle. Reid was subsequently arrested and charged. His court date is being finalized.